So hello guys, I want you to watch me build a landing page from scratch. And I'll finish the landing page in the next 20 minutes. Okay. So like I said, I use Skype to do my landing pages, and someone sent me this link actually. This link here. Okay. I said I should build the same thing. So it's simple. So first of all, I'm modeling this thing. And what does modeling mean? Let's just check online. What's the meaning of modeling? What is the meaning of modeling? Okay. So modeling means the activity of making. Let me check. The process of producing something from a form. So I'm actually producing this landing page. This landing page I'm seeing, I'm trying to make the same exact thing. So I'd already started, but I'll delete everything so that we'll just start from scratch. Okay. Now look at where my mouse is. My mouse is here, and here means I am undoing everything I have done. Alright. So I'll just come here and delete everything. So this is a blank page, all right? So in the next 20 minutes, let's just set it up, okay? So I first of all come here, I see that they say leave this page if you have never lost money to Forex before. So I copy this text, Control C. I come here and click on this plus sign and click on text. You see, now it's showing me to put my text. Watch, the page I'm using is already on position top. If I want this thing to be in the center, I'll just come and click center here and to come here. But every site should start from top, so we'll come and click on top. Alright, so I'll click on the text, then it's giving me space to write what I want to input here. So I'll just Control A and Control V. Control A highlight everything, Control V paste what you've copied. Okay, so I want this thing to be bold, so I'll put double star at the ending and put double star at the beginning. Right, then I want it to still be bolder, so I'll come and choose weight. I'll click on this place, come and choose weight and make it bold. All right, I want the color to be red like the person's own, so I'll click on color, take it to red. Okay, now if you watch this font well, this font is a Monsterant font, Monsterant. So I'll come and choose Monsterant as my font. All right, so I'll just come here and choose font MON. I'll just type Monserrant and I've gotten the font. Alright, so I've done this. So the next thing I want to do is this particular line on that. I'll still come and copy this word. I'll copy this Control C, come here and put another text. Alright, and then in this space, I'll paste what I copied, Control A, Control V. But we don't want it to be red, we want it to be black. So we'll come here and change the color to what? Black. We don't want it to be very, very bold. So, or we can leave it bold because this person's own is actually bold, but it's not very bold, sha, but it is you doing your job now. You can make it bold. Now, I don't want it to be very close to this thing. I don't want it to be very close. So I'll come and increase the margin here. Margin brings it down, brings it up. So you see the margin have increased. All right. So I'll bring it down small. Then I will increase the size of this text so that it's bigger than this one small. I'll just carry the size to 1.125, you see, or just leave it here like this. Okay. Then I'll preview this thing on mobile version. Let me see how it's going to look like on a phone. On the phone is how it is. I don't want it to look like it on the phone. So I'll just customize it well for a phone. I'll come and put vertical. I'll take it up. You see, this is where you take it up from. Horizontal, I'll just push it down here small. You see. Now I've made this thing look very, very much presentable for a phone. So I want to see beautify this text. I'll just come here and put equals to at the back. Right, put equals to here and put equals to here. So I've highlighted it somehow. So this is how you beautify your website. Okay, so I'll come back here and copy this text that they put here. I'll put on Control C. Then I'll click on this text. If you click on this text, all right, the size, if you click on anything you are doing here and you click on plus, it's going to give you the same setup for that thing. So you click on plus and you see that the text came to middle and it's bold. So Control A, Control V. But I don't want it to be like this because this one is not like that. This one is on the left jigab. So I'll come here and click on this appearance and go down, choose alignment, or put left. All right, you can now see I've put left, but now I don't want to be very close to the wall. It's very close to this extreme because this page this page that we're using is is too close, so I'll just increase it small. You can now see now. You can now see. I'll just increase the width like this. I'll just bring the width small like this. You see. So like this now, my stuff is not very close to the wall again. You grab, and I'll reduce the weight so that it's not very thick. So you can see we're making progress. Then I will come and give some space to some things that I did here. Some things have some space, which is let's check. You can see expert signals 1 2 3. Okay, so this is it. Now let me come and control shift J. Let me inspect this site for mobile and see, so that I'll see how it looks like. You can see how this one looks like, Abby. This one looks very fine, but this one is not looking like that yet because it just started. So, but I'll actually do it to look like that. But the best thing is, let's just finish what we're doing, okay? Let's finish what we're doing. So now the next thing that is here is a picture. All right, let me close this tab. The next thing here is a picture. So I've downloaded this picture already. So just come and click on this plus button and add image. Okay, bring it down because I want the image to be down, and then I'll upload. It's on my download folder. So I'll just click on it. Okay, I'll click on this thing to make it maximum. Then I'll accept. You see the image is small. I want it to be big, so I'll click on this brush and click on width. I'll make the image big. You grab. So like this now, eh? This image is already here. Now this image is having one kind of background color I don't like. So I'll change the background color of this site, right, to white so that it will blend with that image. You see, that blended with the image. You grab. So we'll have three images. So I'll just I'll just put the three images. I'll just put the three images. So you can see that I've added the four images, all right. I've added the four images that is on this side to this place. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to do this button, and this button has a link that it is leading to. So I'll just come here and click on plus. Let me make this thing big so that I see what I'm doing well. All right. Let me give you so I see what I'm doing well. Okay, so I know that this page is a box page. Box. Why? Let me put white box. I'm coming. So that's why. Yes, that's why it's giving that vibe. So we've gotten the big size websites that we needed. But I want to put a button, okay? I want to put a button. So for the meantime, I'm going to put this style as default. So that I just know what I'm doing first. I just reduce it small. Let me finish what I'm doing. Then I finish what I'm doing. I'll now continue. So click on here and click on buttons, okay? So this is the button. I want the button to not be very close to this picture. So I just click here. Remember we used what? We used margin, okay? We used margin, and then I want the button's color to be red. So I'll click on color here. Blue, I mean the other one is blue. Click on blue here. Then I want to write on the button. So I'll come here and click on button, and then the label I'll change it to get access now. Alright, this is the same thing that they did, get access now. So I'll click on done. So I want to make the text very bold. So I'll come here and work on the label. Alright. So I'll put the weight here, very bold. Okay. Then the button, I'll make it round with corner rounding. I'll make it round. So I've made the same button that you can see, but there's a difference with the height. So I'll increase the height of the button. Grab. So now the button is already done. Now I want the button to perform some functions. Okay. So I'll click on display, and when it's on visible, I'll put it to on hover, meaning when you carry your hand close to this button, I'll do it to shrink. You see that it went small. So duration, I'll increase the duration and reduce the intensity. You can see that the button is shrinking small. I can just increase the duration small density. So you see the button is you see the button is shrinking now. So I've done the button to shrink. What's the next thing I want to do? Next thing I want to do is to come and write this one. So this is how you keep on putting everything. Let me just finish it sharp. I'll come and copy this one now. Control C. I'll click here. I'll come back here and click on this text because I want everything here to be like this text. I'll click on this place and go down again under the button. It's not showing, so I'll come back here and carry it. So under the button, exactly under the button, I'll paste again. So when I paste, I'll reduce the size very well. Reduce it very well. Then I'll make it bold, and then I'll give it another stuff. So if you see what I did here, you will know what I did here. So here again, I'll put equal to and make it bold. See, I made it bold. Then I'll change the color to red because on that one it was red. Poof. So if you don't understand this thing I'm doing, you can just slow down the video, be pausing it and be seeing what I'm doing. Okay. So I've finished this particular one, and all I have to do is come and copy this one again. Control C. Right. I'll come here. I want this one to be as big as this one, so I'll come and click on text and go down again and click here. So I'll paste it here. I'll paste it here. Make it bold and change the color to black. Make it very bold. You see? So see how I'm doing that, Abi? So now the only thing I want to do now is add this add this text. You grab, add this text. So I want the text to come from this angle. So I'll click on text under this one. Poof. And come here and paste it. It's in paste, okay. I'll come here. So I'll now click on Control A, Control V. You can see. So next thing is to add these two pictures, Abi. I'll save it as FXSS5. Then I'll save this one as FXSSX6. So I'm done. Alright, so I'll just come here and click on image, right? Upload FXSS5. Open. I'll make it big, or I'll just make it small, sharp. Then I'll work on it. I'll make it like this small. Yes, I'll just put accept. See, then I'll come and click image again. Upload the last, which is FSS6. Open. Go up. Work here. Work here. Work here. And accept. Then I'll come back here. Copy this text because this is the last text. Control C. Come back here and click on this text because I want it to appear like that. So I will take it down again. Remember, I'll take it down. Then I'll paste Control A, Control V. So I've pasted, and I'll delete this one under, and then I'll watch on pieces that need spacing. So I've given it some space. Then I'll come here again and give it some space. Come here and give it some space. Then what I want to work on now is the size of this text so that it doesn't look very, very big. I'll reduce the size. Alright. So maybe something like this, yes. And then the margin, I'll close it so that it goes up a little bit, yes. Then this text, reduce it also to the same 0.875 or 0.75. Yes. Then this one, so same thing. So I will now increase the size. I'll now increase the size of this stuff. So I have made it big, like I want it to be big, and then this is everything I needed to do on this site, and I'm done. So basically, I want to just give it a title, maybe learn learn how to maximize your forex profits. Okay, description. Just put the best forex trading group now in Nigeria. Okay, so I'll just publish to another URL. I like using this one. Learn with Cassie. So I'm done with this site. I finished this site. Okay, so if you finish publishing, if you view the site, I'm done with a job. So I just have to what, send this link to the client, and the job is done. Any correction that they need, they'll ask me and I'll correct it. Okay, I'll correct it. So now the next thing is, if you are still interested in watching this video, then watch me set up a campaign to this website. Okay, so I'll come to my other account here. I'll come here, and then I'll come back to this place. I want to use this pixel. Let me just refresh everything. You should already know what a pixel is. So I want to use this pixel for this campaign. So I'm just going to click on manage integrations, manage, install pixel on new website, install code manually, and go back here, go back and copy code, come here, and then I'll come back to where I made the site from. I'll click on OK. I'll come back up, click on this text because I want my header to be another text. I'll click on control, and then I'll change this section to a header marker. Click on this text again, click on plus, and change this, click on embed. So in here, I'll paste the code I copied, Control V, I've pasted, then I'll save it, publish it. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is just come back to my ad account or continue. It's telling me to place, make sure my pixel has been installed. So I'll go to the pixel overview, and then I'll refresh it again. I'll refresh it again. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to test events. Okay. So I'll just test the event to check if the pixel installed. So I'll just come here, HTTPS, learn with Cassie, right? Learn with Cassie.oo.ai. So open the website. Now this is the site. You worked. So we'll come back and see if now you see that everything processed. That means the pixel is working. So I'll come back and click on overview, and I'll still refresh. Okay. Then when it finishes refreshing, the next thing I want to do is I want to manage it. I'll just click on manage integrations again. I'll click on manage and open event setup tool. So I'll click on this place, HTTPS learn with Cassie.oo.ai, and I'll open the website. Okay, it's telling me error, so I'll just come here and do what I did not do well. So when it loads, I'll set up my event on this button. Also to track one button, so I'll track this button, select an event, and click on lead. So when it finishes, I'll confirm. All right. You should tell me to confirm already. Or let me go back and click on cancel. It's a network that is just disturbing actually. Track this button. Says an event lead. Confirm, yes. So finish setup. Finish. Don't ask me again. Skip. So I'm done with the setup of this campaign. I'm done with what I'm doing with the website. Okay, so what I want to do, I just click on create ad, and I will load my ad account. I'll load my ad account. So I'll click on leads and continue. Then I'll click on the name of the campaign I'm setting up, which is for Cassie. So I'll just Cassie lead gen. Then I'll come down here, one ad set. I'll just change this pixel to the pixel I'm using, which is new pixel. I'll select an event, which is lead. I've thought all this in my Facebook ad course already, so you should know what I'm saying already. Then I'll click here. Age, I want to target people from 23 years, and I want to stop at people at 38 years or 35 maximum. No, let me leave it at 40 because this forex campaign, even people, or let me leave 45. Even old men trade forex now. So I don't touch my daily budget. I leave this one here so that Facebook does its job for me. And then what again am I doing? I'm basically done with that place. I'll come and click manual placements. I'm basically using Facebook first, so I'm not using Instagram for now. I'll just leave only my Facebook. I will uncheck these search results, uncheck these in-stream ads, and I'll leave only stories and reels and Facebook feed. Then I'll click on ads, okay? And then I basically have a creative I'm intending to use already. I'll just click on Cassie lead gen, Cassie ad, just put Cassie ad. So add media, add video, upload. So I have a forex video that I've used. Maybe it should be this one, Abby. No, 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 it's not that one. I'll cancel this thing. It's not that one. Cancel. Let me check. Should be on my WhatsApp. Let me check my WhatsApp. Let me just save it again. New forex campaign. Yes. So I'll come back here. Click on add video. I'll go to that folder and just type new forex campaign. Yes. So it's loading. So I made this video myself, and this is just a test campaign I'm doing. If this video performs well, I will give out the script to the person that makes my ad videos, and then they'll make the video and send it to me. Do you understand? So as a Facebook media buyer, when you get a job, this is what you do. You make a landing page, you connect your ad account to the landing page, and then you run your ads to the landing page. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right, it's as simple as that. So in just like 10 minutes, I have done a forex ad already. Do you get? And you don't want to know how much I charge this brand for this campaign, okay? So let me refresh because it's not uploading. So I refresh it. So I'm going to actually I'm going to show you how I'm going to come up with the creative I want to use for this forex campaign now. All right. I've made the video, but the copy I've not made the copy. And remember, I told you it is a test. It's a test. So I'm going to click on add media, add video. I'll upload again. Let's go down and look for new forex creative. So this is it. Yes, it's uploading now. It's uploading. So our video has finished uploading. Our video has finished uploading, and I have gotten the video I wanted. This is the page I'm running the ads from, and I've written my ad copy, and I've put the website here I'm running the ads to. Okay. Now, this creative, I came up with it. I traded the forex market for some time, so I understood how the trading psychology works to a little bit. So I did not start with a do you know you can make money from forex? No, I entered with an advertising creative that have actually resonated with people that have lost money in forex before. I'm not going to play it because it's going to interfere with this video for the purpose. But if you want to learn how to actually make much more money as an advertiser, then I recommend that you actually join my community. Okay. For the persons in my support group, they can ask me any question about this, and I can basically answer them and show them how I came up with the creative I use. Okay. But if you are out there and you don't know how to do this business yet, you can actually just connect with me and I'll help you. All right. So that will be all for now.